Cate Blanchett is a true Hollywood icon, known for her impeccable fashion sense and stunning performances on the big screen. But what many people may not know about this talented actress is her deep commitment to family. In fact, she has 4 kids, 3 sons and 1 daughter, and has spoken openly about how they have been instrumental in shaping who she is today. On Wednesday at the Venice Film Festival, Cate had the pleasure of walking the red carpet with her 9-year-old daughter, Edith. The two were seen sitting together on a crisis balcony, enjoying the stunning views of the festival below. It was clear that they had a special bond as Cate affectionately held Edith's hand throughout the walk. Afterwards, Cate graced the red carpet once again, this time wearing a stunning Armani Privé dress. She complemented her look with a stunning Louis Vuitton neck piece, which featured reclaimed pearls and diamonds. As she walked down the aisle, it was clear that this was a moment she would never forget. But it wasn't just Cate's appearance that made this day so memorable. It was also the love and connection she shared with her children. In an interview with Women in the World, Cate spoke about how her children have shown lack of interest in her celebrity status, but that has actually been beneficial for them. She explained that her sons and daughter have formed a remarkable team, and that she is extremely proud of their progress. In addition to her children, Cate is also close to her husband, Andrew Upton. They first discussed adopting a child over 2 decades ago and eventually welcomed Edith into their family in 2015 through adoption. Cate has spoken publicly about how grateful she is for their family and how much she loves spending time with her kids and make it and be in conclusion. Cate Blanchett is not only a talented actress but also a loving mother and wife. Her dedication to her family is truly inspiring, and we can all learn something from her example. Whether it's on or off the red carpet, Cate continues to be a shining star in Hollywood and beyond.